Inabangan ng buong mundo ang unang State of the Union Address ni US President Barack Obama ngayong taon. Sa kanyang talumpati, sumentro ang usapin sa pagpapabuti ng ekonomiya ng Amerika. Nanawagan si Obama na panahon na upang magtulungan ng mga Amerikano na solusyonan ang nararanasang financial crisis sa bansa.
But we gather here knowing that there are millions of Americans whose hard work and dedication have not yet been rewarded. Our economy is adding jobs, but too many people still can't find full-time employment. Corporate profits have skyrocketed to all-time highs, but for more than a decade, wages and incomes have barely budged. It is our generation's task, then, to reignite the true engine of America's economic growth, a rising, thriving middle class.
Kaugnay nito, naniniwala ang opisyal na unti-unting mababawasan ang budget deficit ng Amerika sa pamamagitan ng pagtataas ng buwis.
Now is our best chance for bipartisan, comprehensive tax reform that encourages job creation and helps bring down the deficit. We can get this done. The American people deserve a tax code that helps small businesses spend less time filling out complicated forms and more time expanding and hiring.
Naging bukas din si Obama sa pagpapatibay ng kasunduan sa European Union para sa komprehensibong trade agreement na makapagbibigay ng panibagong investments. Sa huli, naniniwala ang opisyal na hindi ganon kadali ang kanyang minimiting pagbabago sa Amerika, ngunit tiwala itong may pagpapatuloy ang responsibilidad sa pagpapabuti ng ekonomiya.
It is our unfinished task to restore the basic bargain that built this country. The idea that if you work hard and meet your responsibilities, you can get ahead. No matter where you come from, no matter what you look like or who you love. It is our unfinished task to make sure that this government works on behalf of the many. Thank you. God bless you. And God bless these United States of America.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Dennis Cortes.